Supersize your business by walking into the light. Walk into the light as you grow and build and supersize your business. What the heck does this mean? Where does it come from? Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here with Supersize Your Business. And this is an idiom and an expression that dates back, of course, to the Bible, New Testament, John book 1, chapter 7. And it talks about the importance of following and living like Jesus was, living in his example. That's what was the origin of the idiom, what it originally meant, and to be guided by the principles of truth, right, and righteousness. Now, over time, the meaning was broadened to anyone that lives and leads a spiritual life and has a positive impact on other people, does what's right, is righteous, makes the world a better place, has a positive influence on themselves and other people, treats people the way they want to be treated. There's this crazy stuff going on in the world right now where people feel entitled to things, and that it doesn't make any sense. We all deserve dignity and respect and to be treated like we treat other people. But guess what? We are treated like we treat other people. If you treat other people badly, that comes back to you. I think it's called karma, which is a universal law. So today I am curious, as you're building and growing and supersizing your business, are you walking on the light side or the dark side? It's a slippery slope in some circumstances. Sometimes we get hooked up with the wrong people, the wrong business partners, or we're led astray in our naivete. Been there, done that. And we make choices and decisions, or we get involved in businesses that actually aren't a good fit for us. If we're not working and building a business that's in alignment with our core values and who we are as human beings, at some point we're going to struggle. We can build a certain size business and there can be some rubbing and some conflicts with our core values and things. It's like working in corporate America. You can go to work for anybody and do a great job, but at some point there'll be this rub between your beliefs and your core values and the beliefs and the core values of that organization. It's why it's so important to pick a role, pick a business, pick a company if you're working for someone else, or if you're partnering with someone else to grow and build your business, that have common core values and common interests and common ways of looking at how they run a business and how they do things. Get into a whole discussion about acquisitions and things, but it's a topic for another day. So curious, do you consider yourself walking in the light as you're building and growing and supersizing your business, or is that something you've never thought about? We're focusing on spirituality this month and spiritual well-being and spiritual health with respect to goal setting for this year's annual challenge, which is the Get Your Goals Annual Challenge. And so different topics come up, and it actually has given me an opportunity to think about things that I probably never thought about for my businesses before. And so I'm getting the opportunity to apply those things. So going to analyze today and think, am I walking into the light in the different areas and aspects of my business? And if I'm not, guess what? I'm going to tweak that by making sure that everything is in alignment with our business's core values, which just happen to be my core values as well. All right, have an awesome day. If I can help you in any way, ask. Otherwise, I will be with you tomorrow.